Hello everybody, welcome to Camtech Institute. Hope you have watched my earlier video related to simplification part 1. In case if you have not, do click on the link given below. And today we'll be moving a step ahead and we'll be talking about simplification part 2. Okay, so today we'll be talking of V board mass. Earlier we talked about board mass. So V is another term that has been added. It is called the bar or vinculum. And we also know about the bracket which we studied earlier. There are 3 different types of brackets. This is called the small bracket or parenthesis, then the curly bracket. We also know about the large bracket, and also after this we have O and off. Then D is for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Right? So we come to question number 1. It is 15 plus 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, so how do we do it? We look at this set of rules that are given to us. V board mass. V stands for bar, as you know. So do we have a bar over here in this question? We don't have it, so we skip this operation, right? Then the next is bracket. Do we have a bracket? No, we don't have a bracket here. Skip this operation. Then O is the next step. Do we have O or off? We don't have, so skip this again. And then we have D stands for division. Do we have division? Yes, we do have division over here. So that is the first step we're going to take. We are going to do this operation. So we have 15 over here, and 5 divided by 5 is 1 multiplied by 2, right? Now we are left with 2 operations, plus sign and multiplication. So what is the step we have to do next? This is the operation multiplication. So we'll do multiplication, right? So we have 15 as it is, and 1 into 2 is 2. And then when we add the 2, we get 17 as an answer to our question. Okay, move to question number 2. It says 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. Now look at the rules given to us. V board mass. V stands for vinculum or a bar. Okay, so do we have a bar in this question? We don't have, so we skip this operation. Do we have a bracket? No, again we do not have a bracket. Do we have an off sign? No, we don't have, so we skip that. Then do we have division? Yes, we do have division over here. It's given over here. So the next step, we are going to do this operation. We write down 16 as it is, and 8 divided by 4 we get 2. Then we write down minus 2 and multiply by 3 as it is. What is the next step? We have multiplication operation. So do we have multiplication here? Yes, we do have multiplication. So we write down 16 plus 2 minus this minus sign comes as it is, and 2 into 3 is 6 over here. Now we left with addition and subtraction. So addition comes first, then subtraction. So we add these two. 16 plus 2 is 18 minus 6, and the answer is 12 to this question. Okay, right? Move to question number 3 over here. It is 54 divided by 3 of 6 plus 9. So we have off over here, right? So we look at the set of rules given to us. Do we have a bar over here? No, we don't have, so we skip this operation. Do we have a bracket? No, we don't have. We have off operation that is given over here, right? So this is the first step we're going to take. We write down 54 as it is. We also divide sign, and 3 of 4 means off is always signified by multiplication sign. So 3 into 6 is 18 over here plus 9. Okay, so now we left with division and addition. So what is the next step? We have division over here. So we'll divide this 54 divided by 18 in the next step. 54 divided by 18 we get 3, and this plus 9 comes over here, and 3 plus 9 is 12. So 12 is the answer to this question. Hope I am making the things clear and simple to you all. Okay, so next question, question number 4. We have 1001 divided by 11 of 13. So look at the set of rules given to us. We don't have a bar over here. We don't have a bracket over here. Do we have off operation? Yes, we do have off operation over here. So we're going to perform this operation first. So we write down 1001 divided by 11 of 13 means 11 into 13. So we get 11 into 13 is 143. Then when we divide 1001 divided by 143, we get 7 as an answer to our question. Okay, is it clear to you all? Move to question number 5. Question number 5 is 32 minus large bracket 48 divided by curly bracket 36 minus small bracket 27 minus, we have then got a bar. Under the bar we have 16 minus 9 over here. Close all the three brackets. So if we go by this rules given to us, V stands for a bar, so we need to take up this bar first. This is the first operation we have to perform, like this. So in the next step we write down 32 minus 48 divided by 36 as it is, minus as it is, small bracket 27 as it is, and this minus sign is written over here, and 16 minus 9 is 7, right? So we close all the three brackets. Bar is gone now. Next step, we're going to open this bracket, small bracket, by doing the operation of subtraction inside this bar, inside this bracket, small bracket. Okay, we write down 32 minus large bracket 48 divided by curly bracket 36, and this minus sign comes over here, and 27 minus 7 is 20. So the small bracket gone, we left with curly bracket and the large bracket. Now we'll open this curly bracket by doing the subtraction inside it. We write down 32 minus large bracket 48, and this divide sign comes over here, and 36 minus 20 is 16, and we close the large bracket. Next we do the operation inside this large bracket. We get 32, this minus sign comes over here, and 48 divided by 16 is 3, and then 32 minus 3, we have 29. So 29 is the answer to this question. Okay, understood? Move to the next question. The next question is given to us over here. 16 minus large bracket 11 plus curly bracket 8 minus small bracket 6 minus, then under the bar we have 4 minus 2, and close all the three brackets. So follow the rules of V BODMAS. We'll have to first do the operation of removal of bar. Okay, so this has to be resolved first in the next step. So we write down 16 minus large bracket 11 plus curly bracket 8 minus small bracket 6. This 6 comes as it is, and this minus sign also comes as it is, and 4 minus 2 is 2 over here, and we close all the three brackets. Next step, we're going to open the small bracket by doing the subtraction inside it. Okay, so we write down 16 minus large bracket 11 plus curly bracket 8 minus, this minus sign comes over here, and 6 minus 2 is 4, so small bracket gone, we left with curly and large bracket. Now we'll open the curly bracket next step. So we write down 16 minus large bracket 11 plus as it is, and 8 minus 4 is 4 over here, and we close the large bracket. Now we do the addition inside this large bracket. We have 16 minus, and 11 plus 4 is 15, and then 16 minus 15 is 1. So 1 is the answer to this question. Okay, now we come to question number 7. It is 27 minus large bracket 18 minus curly bracket 16 minus small bracket 5 minus, and under the bar we have 4 minus 1. Close all the three brackets. So following the rules given to us, V BODMAS, we remove the bar first. So that is the first operation to be done. Okay, in the next step we write down 27 minus large bracket 18 minus curly bracket 16 minus, then this small bracket 5 is there inside it, and this minus sign comes over here, and 4 minus 1 is 3 here. Close all the three brackets. Next step, we open this small bracket. We write down 27 minus large bracket 18 minus curly bracket 16 as it is, this minus sign as it is, and 5 minus 3 we get 2, and we left with curly bracket and the large bracket. Now we'll open this curly bracket. In the next step, we have 27 minus large bracket 18 minus 16 minus 2 is 14. Close the large bracket. Again, next step, this bracket has to be opened by doing the subtraction operation. So we have 27 minus, and 18 minus 14 is 4 over here, and then 27 minus 4 is 23. So 23 is the answer to this question. I'm sure the things are very clear to you all, but still, if you have any inhibition, repeat the video. Try to do the sums on your own, okay? Then now it is quiz time. Do it yourself. These are some of the sums. I would like that you practice, do it on your own, and do comment the answers of these questions to me. Sure. And we look forward to your feedback also. How you find the video? Are you really getting something out of it or not? And in case you happen to like these videos, do click on the like button, share it, and subscribe it. And thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.